Good morning, good morning. I'm Steve Reinharz, CEO of Artificial Intelligence Technology Solutions, trading for now on the OTC Pinks with the ticker AITX. You know us, you love us, you follow along, we love it, we need it. We consistently give these updates because there's so much happening. And I want everyone to have access to as much information as possible. We got a lot to get through this week. And we're going to start with kind of an observation that I feel I've noticed over the past few weeks. And that observation is it kind of feels that we've moved from sort of fringe OTC into mainstream OTC. I don't know if anybody else is sensing that, but, by fringe OTC, I mean that the bashers will attack tickers with the fake, right? Fake, phony, blah, 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 blah. And I call kind of those fringe, right? You got to prove yourself for whatever reason. Not that you need to prove anything to bashers, but anyway, just kind of to the mainstream, you got to prove, hey, you're a real ticker. You're not a pump and dump scheme or scam. And it just feels that we've made that transition. I think that has to do with company performance, consistency of communication from the company, these weekly emails, as well as, and perhaps most importantly, the intelligence and the sharing and the interesting and engaging content that our community produces and shares and engage with others in the OTC community. So very, very cool observation. A credit to the community, a credit to persistence and performance. So I wanted to lead off with that. Second thing we're going to get into quickly is some housekeeping really quickly. Tomorrow, Sunday, okay, so depending on when you're watching this, the AMA is Sunday, September 18th at noon on YouTube on this channel. Make sure you press like, subscribe, and that you'll catch it that way. It'll be recorded as well, so you can watch it after the fact should you so choose. Okay. Next thing is also tomorrow, 9/18, September 18th, Sunday. I believe at 6 o'clock Central, I think, but stay tuned for the exact time. But I think that we will be on OTC Spaces with the folks who run OTC Spaces. We did one a few months ago, or maybe several months ago at this point, and it was really fun. It was just a great chat. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I think everybody did. So we're going to see how much fun we can have tomorrow. I will be on the call only for a little bit, if at all. I don't know. I don't know actually. We got to see because there could be some overlap with hockey, and I get too few hours to do stuff like that. So I will definitely play hockey instead of the OTC Spaces or see how those overlap, because I put almost all my time into this company, and I need a little bit for me. That's going to happen tomorrow. Next piece of homecoming is December 7th, our Investor Open House. Investor Open House Extravaganza, I think, is a more realistic description for it. It is going to be pretty spectacular. We are investing in improving production values. We've already started planning it. It's going to be something really cool. It looks like we're pretty firm. I'm going to say 90% firm on December 7th. It's a Wednesday, and so you could mark that in your calendar for pencil for now. Anyway, so think about that. That's going to be happening then. Okay, good. Oh, last piece of housekeeping is OTC QB update. Had a quick piece of correspondence go back and forth this past week where they just asked for clarification related to the Crown Bridge settlement again. So provided them additional information that they requested. It wasn't a big deal. And we're back to hoping any minute, any day. And we're hoping that it's a yes. It might not be. We don't know. I always have to say that. But we're hoping it is, of course. And the timing could be any day. It's in their court. Okay, this was a busy week. We spent 3 days at GSX, the second biggest security trade show in the United States. The biggest is ISC West, which is in March, usually in Vegas. So this is kind of the second biggest show. We had dozens and dozens of excellent meetings, and it was different than ISC. And I'll share with you why and how. ISC, we had tremendous traffic. Okay, tremendous traffic. It was madhouse for us at our booth. I don't think everybody's booth was like ours, but we were busy, 18 hours a day. It was unbelievable. And a lot of it was sharing information, getting the information out there, people kicking tires, and so forth. This show was different in as much as the vast majority of our conversations and contacts and engagements were with customers and dealers already in the funnel, and we used GSX to push those opportunities along. I think actually Friday, a product of that already spit out into an order, so that's pretty cool. Maybe at least maybe two. I don't know. I don't always keep track. So that's awesome, right? Like show Monday through Wednesday, orders Friday. Wow. So GSX was great. We definitely have mind share in the industry, which is something that we fought hard for over the years, and that we've done on an incredibly limited budget. We're not Sony. We're not going to spend $3 million on an ad campaign and have awareness overnight. We're going to do it slowly, guerrilla style, and it's working. People know us. People like us. So that's good. Okay, more of GSX. I don't know. Ask questions tomorrow in the AMA. GSX, our big hits of the show, of course, was Rio. And we did a press release on that on Thursday or Friday. 30 pre-orders, which is awesome. That's huge. So very excited about Rio. Rio has a couple significant advantages over anybody else that I've seen in the market. Of course, the primary advantage is that Rio is basically a solar-powered Rosa, and Rosa is unmatched in the market, and Rosa is security in a box, and Rosa makes everything easy. Rosa's got everything built in. We have a significant cost advantage over everybody else in the market. And in security, that means something, There's not much brand loyalty in security, let's face it. A lot of buyers view security as a commodity, and you really have to be sharp. So we've created this product that's sharp on price, amazing on quality, amazing on capabilities. So Rio is really moving, and I'm excited about that. We seem to be on track with that. The last thing, and again, ask more questions about it tomorrow. We got the AMA. This is just the weekly update, Tomorrow's the big AMA. Patents. I think on Friday I announced we will engage in creating our own patents. You could tell how excited I continue to be about it. So I'm not excited about patents in general for reasons that I've shared before. Those reasons are you got to defend them, you got to pay to file them. It takes time out of engineering group, my team, admin team to get it done right. There's a cost to it, a human labor hours cost, which could be used in other areas, as well as a financial cost. And we're very busy, so I try to keep the team focused on things that are going to lead to sales. However, after walking the show on both Monday and Tuesday with our significant financial partners, they convinced me. They said, "Steve, build a patent library." Again, I'm so transparent on these things, because I start talking about it, my energy level and excitement goes down so far. I'm like, yeah, we're gonna file some patents. It's gonna be great. I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna file the patents. I know that'll excite some people. So hopefully patent library of about 50 different patents is kind of what I think we can do, just based on my early scans. Going to cost some money. Might bring in-house counsel to do it. We'll see. So anyway, that, my friends, is the update on patents. More to follow on that. If you guys are interested, let me know, and I'll do more regular updates on patents like I've done on the QB at your request. That, my friends, is this week's weekly update. Have a great weekend. See you tomorrow in the morning and hear you in the afternoon on the OTC Spaces thing. Thank you.